here into the Peak District. Nice winding roads, open roads, mixture. We've come out of Macclesfield, so we've come out of a built-up area, and it really is a crossover. You know, it's great. It's got a good high driving position. You know, that's the thing you really notice against the old Aygo is, you know, you're much higher up off the road, and because of that, the car feels somewhat bigger as well. What I also like is the interior. You know, there's some lovely finish. It's really nice and sleek, the interior of the car. Nothing looks cluttered. There's these lovely little vents here. They look a little bit like speakers actually, but there's some nice vents here. The steering wheel feels real good quality and very solid. And just generally, it's a really nice drive. I'm driving the manual version. Again, it's a nice smooth gear change. And you can't really appreciate it much on camera, but it's a quiet and smooth ride as well.